Welcome to another video on how to contact Shein's customer support for assistance. I'm Yakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, visit the Shein website. Go to the official website www.shein.com and log into your account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you can still access customer support by visiting the website. Now once you're logged in, click on your account icon at the bottom right corner of the website, and now from here, tap on support under services. It's like the headset-like icon. This will take you to the Shein's customer support page. On the Help Center page, you'll find various options to seek assistance. Look for the Contact Us section or a similar option, usually located at the very bottom of the page. So right here, it's Customer Service. Click on it to proceed. Now choose a topic. Shein may provide different contact options based on the specific topic you need assistance with. So go through all the scenarios and click on the right option. Or you could also type down your problem directly on the message box and send it to it. This way you'll be able to have a live chat with the Shein customer support. Shein typically offers multiple contact methods such as live chat, email, or phone support. Choose the method you prefer and click on it to proceed. Depending on the contact method you selected, you may be asked to provide additional details such as your order number, email address, or a description of the issue. Fill in the required information accurately. Once you've provided the necessary details, submit your request or initiate the contact process. For live chat or phone support, you'll be connected with a customer support representative. If you choose email support, you will typically receive a response within a certain time frame. But please note that Shein's customer support options may be based on your location in these specific circumstances. So it's recommended to check the Shein's website for the most up-to-date contact information and instruction. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.